Are you saying to yourself, is that the edge of the universe? No, there's probably ocean beyond that.
Right.
And if you sort of sail towards it, more ocean comes into view, and you bring your horizon with you.
Yeah.
That's kind of, the horizon is not an absolute thing.
That's true.
It's relative to you, and you are in the center of your own horizon. The exact center. Okay. Now, it turns out, as we look out into the universe, we see the universe younger and younger and younger and younger until we see it just shortly after the Big Bang itself.
Right.
So technically, that's not quite a horizon. It's a time horizon more than it is a space horizon, because you can't see before the Big Bang. And so if you wait a few billion more years, as the universe continues to expand, then there'll be a place, a space horizon, beyond which you cannot see. And if you travel that direction, again, you can take your horizon with you. Wow. So the real question is, do we really know how big the actual universe is?
Right.
Do you know how big the actual ocean is? Not really.
No.
Unless you keep sailing until you hit land.
That's right.
But if you're in the middle of the Pacific, that's a lot of sailing.
You have no
idea. So generally, when we speak of the universe, it's how big is the observable universe?
Yeah.
We got to contain it, because what's beyond that, we don't know. No reason to think it's completely different. No reason to think just beyond your horizon there's something very different from the water that you're witnessing up until the horizon. No reason to think that. So too with the universe. Beyond an observable horizon, no reason to think the rest of the universe is fundamentally different from what's within our own horizon. And so, by the way, everyone sees themselves as the center of the universe.
That's true. That's true.
Which means there is no center of the universe.
Yeah.
And one of my most retweeted tweets, I guess it's X now, it was very simple. I said, because the universe has no center, it means you can't be it.
Now I'm disappointed. Now I'm very disappointed. Because I always thought I was the center of the universe. But you know what? I got to add one more thing.
What's that? Okay.